How to download YouTube playlists. But before that, if you don't know what is YouTube, it is a global online video sharing and social media platform where users can upload, view, share, and comment on videos, in which it has become one of the most visited websites in the world. And the platform hosts a wide variety of content, including entertainment, educational tutorials, music videos, news, vlogs, and live streams. And now from here, to start downloading a playlist, the first thing that we need to do is simply go to our youtube.com and also sign in our YouTube account in here. After that, we could also start selecting a videos that we want to add firstly in our playlist that to download. For example, let's start with this video by simply clicking these three dots right here. It will show us a variety of options on this pop-up window by clicking on it and just click Save to Playlist button to proceed. And after that, on this pop-up window, just click New Playlist to add it, and then this here, just simply enter the title, for example, Playlist to download. And after that, you can also select here the visibility of your playlist, in which you can choose here either private, public, or unlisted. And I'm going to make it private. And after successfully creating your playlist, you can also start adding more videos in our playlist right here. So all you need to do is just simply scroll down and choose here by clicking the three dot once again and click Save to Playlist and simply clicking or checking these boxes. So basically, just do the same process on the other selected videos you want to add in your playlist. And after successfully adding it in here, to start downloading it, all you need to do is simply go on the left side panel to see our playlist and click the playlist button. Then you should see the list in here. So just simply proceed by clicking this view full playlist button in order to be directed on the page in here. And after that, in this page, you need to have a premium account on YouTube to start downloading it, in which by simply clicking the three dots right here, it will show you the download button where you could also start clicking on it and it will automatically be downloaded where you can track the progress of it. And using the YouTube Premium, you can start subscribing it and open the YouTube app using also your mobile device and simply downloading all of the videos in your playlist, in which once downloaded, the videos can be viewed offline in the library or download section. And from here, to have a premium account on YouTube, just click your profile icon on the top right corner. And after that, just click this purchase and membership button right here. Upon doing so, you will be directed on this page where you can navigate this premium account. Or alternatively, you could also go on the left side panel and scroll down until you find this YouTube Premium button. By clicking on it, you should see here that you can get your YouTube Premium by simply subscribing it. We have here this individual plan, family, and student plan. So you can simply purchase some of the plan that you prefer. And after that, you can now start downloading the playlist video in here, in which it is important so that it will allow you to access educational entertainment content without needing an internet connection, which is especially helpful in areas with poor connectivity. But overall, that is just basically how you can download YouTube playlists.